Hey, this is Rolf. I'm doing a tour here of our mid-sized mining facility. So let's take a quick look and see what we got going on. First off, we try to keep things really low cost. So not everything looks high-end, and it's winter time here. So we're using GPU miners. This one's broken, we got to fix it, to heat our offices. So this one's being warmed by one of the GPU miners. So is this one, and that's the extent of our offices here. Now let's take you back into the main part of the facility. Now this is a low-end industrial space. In order to keep the miners cool, we use about 200 cubic feet per minute of airflow, which is about 5.6 cubic meters a minute per airflow. And we build a box, so we have intake fans that jam cold air into the middle of the box. Then the miners suck on the box, put the hot air into the bigger part of the space. Then we have exhaust fans that do that as well. And we've got a little repair area here. Again, a couple miners that we need to fix up. And we filter the intake fans. That's pretty important. So we've got a big sink. About every month we clean the filters. Got our internet connection over here. Got a dual internet connection. And then we have our monitoring system up and running here, and keeps track of all the different miners. And right now we're kind of full. We got a little bit more miners. We got every plug full basically. Here's the spare filters. It's a lot easier to have spare filters than it is to always have to wash the filters when we change them out. So I'll show you all the electrical and the fans, but let's go into where the miners are first. Okay, so here's the big area where the miners are. See, we've got filtered intake fans. Winter time, so we've actually turned off one of the intake and exhaust fans so it doesn't get quite as cold in here. It's locked down. Now, as we're seeing this, I want to show you the electrical connection. Each of these is a 30 amp circuit at 208 volts. We've got about 100 of them, so we can do about 500 kilowatts of electricity. Those come to a PDU, a power distribution unit, and then the miners are plugged into the power supplies, and then the miners. Those are the fans. Now let's take a look outside. We've got two 1200 amp three-phase circuit breakers. We've got the rotating machinery, the fans, running off the three-phase. Each of those goes to a 400 amp panel where we pull single phase 208 volt 30 amp off each of the connections. You want to keep all the leaves and dust and everything outside, and then the exhaust are on the upper part. I got lucky, or actually planned, that this building is right next to where the power comes in. So the power company gave us our own 500 kVA power transformer, and we're able to use that all. And it's full right now, so we're looking to expand a little bit later on this year. Anyway, hopefully that tour is helpful to you. You got more information on my website at blockoperations.com and on the YouTube channel that goes with it. So happy mining.